Welcome back. This is our 5th episode, and I'm Animonkey from MONKEYmedia. So last time we talked about how we discovered that leaning forward or tilting an iPad forward was a natural and appropriate way of locomoting, moving forward in a virtual space. So how do you move backwards? Well, again, we looked at the body and see what it was doing, and couldn't help but remember back when I was a little chimp, standing on 34th Street in Manhattan and looking up at the Empire State Building. And the higher I looked to try and see the top, looking up, and I would find myself walking backwards to catch myself. So we tried it a few times, looked at people, and thought, hey, let's tilt the iPad backwards. Exactly the opposite of tilting it forwards to move forwards, and you move backwards. Turns out, pretty natural.